Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's Import Function tutorial series. This video will introduce you to the Import Specification document. Once you have logged into the Campaign Finance e-filing system, you can use the import function for three sections: itemized contributions received, itemized expenditures made, and contributions made. Click File, then select Import. The File Import Specification document includes the rules and specifications for creating your own template. If you do decide to create your own template, keep in mind that the information listed in the specification document refers to what is required to make the import feature work correctly. At the bottom of the first page of the Import Specification document is a list of rules that must be followed if you decide to create your own template. These are the most common reasons the import function doesn't work properly. It's a good idea to take a minute and read through these rules before deciding to create your own template. This concludes our Import Specification document tutorial. Thank you for watching. Now stay tuned for Part 3, where we will discuss how to properly enter data into the import template.